Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to draw head and shoulders pattern on TradingView. Firstly, this is the first peak, where the price rises, then declines, which is the left shoulder. Open the TradingView and load your chart. Identify the 3 peaks and 2 valleys, then draw the neckline. Select the trend line tool, then connect and the 2 lowest points between the left shoulder and the right shoulder. Once you've identified the peaks, use the trend line tool again to make these. For the head, this will be the highest point, and for the shoulders, these are the points lower than the head, but should be at roughly the same level. The pattern is confirmed when the price fails below the neckline. The potential price target after the breakout is usually measured by taking the height of the head and subtracting the distance from the breakout point. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.